Hey guys, welcome to Stash Smash Saturday. I am working with that random kind of Heidi Swap group of papers I had from last week. I'm kind of inspired by the Jumpstart sketch for Scrap Room. Ooh. It was created by my friend Shannon, so she makes amazing sketches. So I was kind of inspired by that. I trimmed down this paper. It was a little bit longer because on the sketch you saw it was a diagonal, and this kind of divides diagonal-ish. It just reminded me of that. So I figured to use up as much of this as possible. I trimmed it down, and we're just going to mat it on this pink paper. I have this photo of my son actually giving my mom a wheelchair ride. We were actually at the nursing home visiting my grandpa, and he just was like, get in, let's go. So I want to do something with that. Not sure how kid embellishment-ish it'll be, but I'm going to use these things and do, the title is Where To, and we're going to use these wood grain thickers, so that would be my wood grain. I'm going to mat the photo in some more branding strips, so that'll be my branding strips. I'm going to count these as kid embellishments. We'll see how that goes. I probably won't have gears, so these are 12 by 12 sticker sheet and kid embellishments together, and I don't know about a fussy cut item. So far, I don't have plan. Punch, I'm going to punch some just black flowers to also kind of sprinkle around. What's hard is that I don't have any black besides matting my photo, but like all of these things are black, so maybe I'll go find some cardstock that is similar colors to this stuff too and do some flowers. I'm kind of, yeah, by the seat of my pants type thing today, so we'll see. I originally was like, oh, I'm gonna use the stencil and do that instead of as the flowers on the sketch, but how busy this is, this won't show up. It just won't. And I didn't really, it wasn't floating my boat anymore. So I'm going to get this matted with these branding strips, get this glued down, start putting these stickers kind of where I want them, figure out where I want my title, and punch. So we'll be back. Okay, so I started putting things down, and I just kept going. So I put my title kind of where it was in the sketch, but I overlapped it onto my photo. And then I realized, I've got wood grain on as my title. I need wood grain somewhere else. So all I did was take one of the X's and I just cut little chunks, cut it up. And so then now it's like I have wood grain confetti around the page. And I have one more flower. Oh yeah, I was going to glue this one down. Wood grain confetti around the page as well, so it kind of ties it in and is not, I don't know, so it doesn't seem so odd or like out of place. And then I inked the edges of all these. I ended up punching, I had a pattern paper chunk that was this pattern basically. I punched my flowers, I almost said hearts, out in those and then inked them with some chipped sapphire. So that worked out really good. Could I say I fussy cut the confetti? I don't know, maybe. I maybe could. And then I just penciled in some lines right here for some journaling. I'll journal and then decide if I want to erase the lines or underline it in black. I might underline it in black, but I like that. I popped this part up on foam. I had this in my stash, a piece of chipboard. I think it's a Freckled Fawn piece. It matches this green a lot, and so that way I kind of have that green pulled down. Otherwise, it's kind of simple, but I kind of like it. I could add some more like confetti type colors we could add some Nuvo in there too. We could do just a clear glittery, that might be kind of fun just to add a little sparkle to the page. We'll do that. So I'll go ahead and kind of dot some more that in there. I'm going to journal, and that's it. So all I've got left is 2 branding strips, these 2 chunks of paper, and a part of a branding strip, and then this 1 strip of paper. So that's killed. That's gone. Yeah. So that's all that's left of that. And I probably, because I'm in the mood, recycling. Ta-da! All right, I'm going to go ahead and journal and add those Nouveau. You guys will see it in the close-ups. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go check out Rebecca and see what she did. And then a reminder, we are taking a break in June to give ourselves a mental break and a stress break of getting some of this stuff done. So we're taking a break. We'll see you in July for Stash Smash Saturday. Bye, guys.